3. Code commissioning for thermal oil boiler. 1. Check whether the operation of the equipment is normal. Check whether the equipment operates normally under code condition, and make operators familiar with and master the operation essentials. 2. All motors turn correctly and equipment load is normal. 3. Oil injection of equipment. 1. Open number 11, number 12, oil injection valve. 2. Open number 13, number 12, inlet and outlet valve of the first circulation pump. Open the inlet and outlet valve of number 14 and number 13 of the main PEP, and also open all valves of PEP line and user's equipment. 3. Open the oil injection pump and begin to inject oil into the expansion tank. When the first liquid level of expansion tank does not alarm, start the first circulation oil pump and inflate cold oil circulation. Discharge the air inside the pipeline until the first liquid level of expansion tank does not alarm, and the pressure gauge needle at the boiler inlet is about 0.4 MPa and the outlet pressure is about 0.2 MPa. Running for 2 to 5 hours. Clean the oil filter 1 to 2 times.